Why does your scanner show the P2298 engine code? What does it mean? P2298 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor out of range during deceleration bank 2 sensor 1. The P2298 engine code for indicate that the primary oxygen sensor on the second cylinder bank is sending erratic or incorrect voltage signals to the engine computer while the vehicle is slowing down. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, exhaust leaks, wiring or connection issues, engine vacuum leaks, improper fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Audi, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.